All right, I love the way my turkey for Thanksgiving turned out so much. I decided to try a whole chicken. So I went and bought one from Costco. And we're gonna keep it simple and use a different flavor. We're gonna try Buffalo Rub. And instead of a bag, I'm gonna put it in aluminum foil to keep the moisture together. And we're gonna throw it on the grill for 3 to 3.5 hours and see what we get. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll out a little bit of aluminum foil. Once I got the aluminum foil on, I'm gonna take the chicken and I'm gonna open it up. All right, I'm gonna take my buffalo rub, just rub some on. I love wings, but I also just love chicken. And I love buffalo. And then I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna get the bottom. Put just a little bit more rub on there. Cooking it breast down will keep the moisture more in the breast meat, which is what you want. You don't want it to get dried out. Get some more aluminum foil here. Even wrapping it in aluminum foil or in a bag will allow you to get the smoke into the meat, and it'll still taste really good. And it's just that easy to get it ready. So now we're gonna go slap it on the grill. Being a chicken and not a turkey, I'm gonna cook this at about 200 degrees because it'll cook too fast if I don't. All right, let's get the chicken in. And it's easy as that. So keeps the clean grill and it keeps your chicken moist. Cooking in a pan like this makes it easy to keep the grill clean. And we're gonna check on it every half an hour or so. Just gonna go ahead and put a probe in it. That way we can monitor the temperature. All right, the probe says 201. So we're gonna definitely go ahead and take the chicken out and cool it off. All right, so it ended up being a little over 3 hours. I got the internal temperature of the chicken up to 201. So I let it cool off a little, and now we're gonna just see how well this turned out. And as you can see, it just falls right off the bone again, just like the turkey. I love it when the meat turns out like this. Just comes right apart. It's amazing. Pretty good stuff. It's kind of hot still, so we'll let it rest a little bit. So we're gonna continue tearing into this thing. And I mean, it don't get any better than that. Just comes right off. Boom. Fall to pieces. Just on one little chicken, $5 chicken. Got all that meat. And once you're done breaking it up the way you want it, then all you gotta do, the most important thing, put all the juice back in. That makes it super moist. And all the flavor goes back in it too. So I always try to put the au jus back in. That's what I did with the turkey, and that made it amazing. Man, you have a pretty flavorful meat product here. So try it for yourself, and we'll catch you on the next video.